Mantramugdha, that too horror comedy. I think this is first of its kind in Odisha.
I think this is the first time.
Horror में comedy, like what came to your mind?
People in Odisha, they are very much keen about seeing things which are fascinating.
डरा डरा के कैसा entertainment है?
वही तो
मूवी के अंदर कौन सा कॉमेडी वाला कुछ याद आ रहा है, कुछ किया हुआ है, you can share?
बहुत
इतना कि
थोड़ा सा एक कुछ
अबे ये कौन आमे सेठी ଦି ଦିନ ପରେ ରହିବାକୁ ଯାଉଛେ ଏତେ ସବୁ ସାମାନ କାଇଁ ଆଣିଛୁ
ତ 2 ଦିନ ହଉ କି 2 ମାସ ଏତିକି ଜିନିଷ ମୋର କମ୍ପଲସରି ଏ ବ୍ୟାଗରେ ମୋର अंडरवेयर टी-शर्ट हैंकी ट्राउजर्स फेस्टाल हैंडल बाटल ଅଛି बैकपैक रे एक्स्ट्रा फोन लैपटॉप बी टाइप चार्जर सी टाइप चार्जर लाइटिंग चार्जर ब्लूटूथ स्पीकर पावर बैंक ଅଛି इधर शेविंग क्रीम आफ्टर शेव टोनर मॉइस्चराइजर सनस्क्रीन डे क्रीम नाइट क्रीम फेस स्क्रब टूथब्रश हेयर ऑयल शैम्पू कंडीशनर डिओड्रेंट परफ्यूम ट्रिमर और
too good.
this and this was too good.
Hi, welcome to my podcast, Kapila Nagpal, and today I have the very inspiring team with me from the upcoming movie Mantramugdha. So I have the brilliant actors with me, Sanoj, the very different name Sanoj, and Sarthak, and पैसा लगाने वाला भी था हमारे पास कोई, वो है मिस वर्षा पटनायक. So तालियां हो जाए इन सब के लिए. वाओ. So this is the first podcast I think जो मेरे साथ टीम आई है, आधी टीम आई है, बट नेवर माइंड.
सब स्प्लिट हो गए हैं
या बहुत बड़ा टीम है तो you know.
I know.
we are covering
Yes.
So I was lucky enough to catch hold of these guys. So thank you for your time first of all.
Thank you
And,
for having us here. Thank you so much.
So let's start.
Yes.
Are you guys ready?
oh my god you're asking
yes.
us like this that means okay I'm pretty nervous now then
नहीं
Since you asked
नहीं
this.
नर्वस होने का बात नहीं है. It's okay. So upcoming movie Mantramugdha, that too horror comedy. I think this is first of its kind in Odisha. या पहले भी कभी हो चुका है?
Horror comedy, I would say, proper blend of horror comedy.
It was
I don't
totally
think
horror
so.
or comedy, I think, right?
Yeah, yes.
So this is
So
the first
is a proper,
time.
yeah, the
Yeah.
blend, a proper blend of horror comedy, I would say. I think this is the first time.
Okay. तो आपका पैसा लगाने का मन कैसे किया इसमें?
नहीं, हमारे जो director है ना, so he is always pretty
Ghost
much,
freak.
yeah, he is a
Horror
ghost
films.
freak, and he is pretty much sure where he is going to put our money.
Okay.
So I just have to execute it properly. So it has to be signed by me. It has to be approved by me. But I need to be sure about his vision.
Okay.
So when I am sure about his vision, then things just fall into.
So you are a kind of angel investor for him?
She's an angel for him for all of us actually
एंजल फॉर श्योर.
All right.
Angel for sure.
Horror में comedy, like what came to your mind? If he's so much, interested in the ghosts, why didn't you just made a movie which is purely horror?
Okay, so there is a movie called Dahan which is yet to release.
Yes.
It is
Okay.
a proper horror.
Horror.
film.
Yeah.
But they didn't get the right time to release it. So plans are there, and people who are from Odisha, they are like really anticipated and excited about that film as well. कि कब आएगा कब आएगा. But at this very moment, horror comedy is a genre which is flourishing.
Okay.
And we try to give our own Odia touch over there. There are fantasy elements over there. It's not just horror and comedy.
Right.
And also we have always explored new genres. So I mean new as in we always try to see what is going in the market right now. So we think that people in Odisha, they are very much keen about seeing things which are fascinating, which are entertaining. So we just thought of coming up with something like this, which because right now they want to be entertained more of, we have made them cry, we have made them go see a gangster
Rush.
series, and
तो ये
yeah,
डरा डरा के कैसा entertainment है?
वही तो theater.
ऐसा भी है ना
Yeah.
that's a different kind of feel
Okay.
yeah
So we try to see drama and horror and comedy, everything. I mean, we try to see it all together. We just try to blend it all together so that people will get that flavor of not missing out on anything.
Right.
So we try to do this
It's
film.
a proper platter.
Yeah, it's a platter.
So talking about Odia industry, what do you feel? अभी मतलब कितना अच्छे लेवल पे आ चुका है? If I compare it in the past.
I think abhi at this moment it is the best industry to work on. क्योंकि स्कोप बहुत ज़्यादा है
पैसे का या
for everything.
Okay.
Because it's a growing industry and people now Kamal Hassan has also stated in one of his interviews that who knows that the next big thing will come from Odisha,
wow.
right? So people have eyes on Odisha and after the success of films like
this might.
yeah, this one for sure, not mine. So after the success of films like Karma, then Pratiksha, which won a national award, and other films as well, like Daman and all that. So people are really looking forward that what people from Odisha are catering
तो
to
मतलब
them.
मे बी बॉलीवुड से कहीं करण जौहर का सॉरी फोन आ सकता है.
See, the thing is that we might, we are, okay, so we don't have that fast pace of, you know, we are not making contents like in a year we are getting like 5 to 6 films at a time and we can just do films and we go on making films. But yes, we are taking time and we are bringing films in a year, maybe 1 or 2. तो हमारे जो audience है उनको थोड़ा time भी मिल रहा है
Right.
to, you know, digest slowly because they have gone through a phase where they have been seeing films which are, you know, copied from somewhere and they
Right.
have been really devastated seeing that scenario. So coming to this point, I think they are slightly, you know, getting that faith on us कि okay ठीक है कुछ तो हो रहा है. So we know we need to get to know them and we need to have that faith on them. तो
Right.
धीरे धीरे वो era भी आ रहा है जो कि बहुत पहले था. So we are just trying
So
to
you
do
have
that.
a team only from Odisha, or you have, let's say, taken help from Bollywood also, or somewhere else, you know, for the script
purely,
writers
it's
or
purely from Odisha,
Okay.
and we believe in employment. I
Right.
mean, you know, in Odisha.
Right.
Okay, so if we'll get people from outside, तो फिर हमारा क्या मतलब, you know, what is the point of making films over here? So if we'll also, you know, think of getting people from outside, तो फिर यहाँ पे employment कैसे बढ़ेगा? So
थोड़ा सा साइकी रहता है ना लोगों का कि लाइक बाहर का है तो ज़्यादा वो रहेगा. So
see,
how do you
if,
break
if
that?
it is technicalities, I would talk about the technicalities of a film. Of course, people in Bombay maybe they are very good in VFX. So we have got a team from Bombay, but they are also from Odisha.
Okay.
Again, so we are.
I mean,
focusing-
Odia is settled there.
Yes,
Right,
yes.
okay.
So they are, of course, they are good in that. So we'll get them from there. जैसे कि mastering होता है वो बॉम्बे में ही होता है. So things which can't be done here, we'll get it done from
Okay.
outside. But yes, we'll obviously try to get more employment in our state. So we're focusing on that.
And that is, it's not about animosity for any other states. It's just
Yeah.
that
Yes,
what
yes.
happens is when you're making a certain kind of film in a particular landscape, the culture is very important.
Yeah,
Right,
yeah, yeah.
right.
So when you are outsourcing someone, you need to again introduce them to the culture, and it takes a lot of process.
Yes,
Right.
You know?
yes.
So because we are a growing industry, we need to work very quickly as well.
Right.
We have to deliver very fast. So that's why it's easier for us to take people who are Odias, who are equipped with the culture and
Yes.
are also very technically sound.
Right.
So that's why we try. To
And also they are very much talented, Sarthak, but you know they don't get that platform to showcase their talent.
Right.
So we need to, we being makers, if we don't have that faith on them, it won't work actually. It has to be a give and take thing.
Right.
If we will give them that thing on platter, then we'll get things back as well.
Right.
So we believe in that.
So Sanuj, पूरा टीम में से who was the, you know, naughtiest one set पे?
I would say Manmay.
Manmay,
अच्छा.
who is not here right now,
Okay.
is very funny, he's very lovable, and he's not here right now because he's attending another podcast. So yeah, he's the funniest.
तो
Everyone is, but he is the funniest.
He's the funniest, he's the most versatile, he's very talented, he does mimicry.
so वहाँ पे सेट पे थोड़ा डर नहीं लगा था रात को शूट करते हुए?
नहीं डर तो नहीं लगा था लाइक बिकॉज बिफोर गोइंग टू द शूट लाइक ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ लाइक रेकी पूजा सब हो गया था वहाँ पे सब जाके अनुपम भाई गए थे
तो असली वाले भूत भाग गए थे?
I don't know. शायद 700 years old palace and that's like Dharakot, Ganjam. Like I come from that place.
Okay.
And so it's a very I would say it's a different experience. Of course, I would say that के एक तो अपनी जगह है like my hometown. Berhampur is my hometown, but the district is Ganjam.
Okay.
And secondly, I didn't know as well. I was introduced to that palace,
Okay.
and I think a lot of people actually, not me, also he maybe, and maybe all Odisha or the like world. So मेरे बोलने का मतलब ये है कि we have so many of things in like हम हमारे उड़ीसा में, and we need to explore that.
Right.
And Dharakot Palace में shoot करना, and it's a different experience.
Of course,
Was
we
a
were
difference.
skeptical about
Yeah.
it. We were skeptical about it, that how are we going to shoot in such an old palace, and how are we going to renovate it that it will look grand as well.
Yeah.
So we were continuously working on that. I think
So you
prior to-
renovated that entire thing.
we did.
Okay.
Whatever renovation has been done, we have done that.
Okay.
And we were also scared about certain things which we don't know, the energies or whatever we have faced or we haven't faced, maybe, but
Or maybe we have faced, we didn't know, we don't know.
yeah, but of course we never think of going alone anywhere, because that was a very spooky kind of a place. So yeah,
Okay.
it was scary.
Also night shoots.
Yeah,
So
we were shooting.
people were
Yeah.
really-
तो किसी का कुछ ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं हुआ जहाँ पे यू आर ड्रेस्ड अप लाइक अ भूत और कहीं पे थोड़ा सा लगा कि वहाँ पे
No, no,
Fortunately,
किसी का एक्सपीरियंस नहीं हुआ, लेकिन हम लोग को एक्सपीरियंस करवाया गया. हमारे जो डायरेक्टर है, he like
Yeah.
we were shooting for a scene, Ghost Meter, right? Ghost Monachi.
It's a ghost meter.
Ghost Meter, he had kept that Ghost Meter inside a chair, like
Yeah.
a chair, like couch inside that
Oh.
like chair. And if you go
हाँ.
and you will if you go to that place, like, sorry, he had kept a phone inside that chair.
अच्छा.
If you search from that ghost meter, okay, so it will like the frequency will fluctuate.
Okay.
Ah, so we thought,
If there's some kind of energy, then the frequency
frequency
will
हाँ हाँ हाँ
fluctuate.
राइट राइट
so we thought,
Is there a
कि
ghost?
कोई भूत है.
So Anupam is someone who will just make you feel right here. He'll sit right here with all of you, and he'll tell you a story in which you'll get to know that okay, यहाँ पे अभी तो भूत आया था. He'll make you go through that,
Oh
you
god.
know,
make
that
you
feel.
believe.
Yeah, he'll make you
Make
believe in that.
Also, he's very
अच्छा वो
subtle
अभी
with
नहीं
it.
है नहीं.
He's very
He's
subtle.
very subtle
He'll
with it,
say,
so you'll actually believe.
yeah, you'll
Not
actually
some-
believe.
I know. I took his interview. मुझे पता है. Whatever he says, it sounds really genuine.
Yeah.
And horror is his I mean forte, his
First love, I guess.
first love. I mean his
no,
he's very
Like he's very fond
You
of
can't
horror.
say it
very
in front
fond
of his
of
wife. Please come on.
during the shoot, actually, he had shared so many of his experiences, like when he used to study in college, and he had experienced. He had
Yeah, in
visited some
Pune,
places,
yes.
haunted
Okay.
places with his friends, and he had.
He
shared
said
the
he saw a
experience.
ghost. He said he saw a ghost, which I do not believe, Anupam. Yet I mean now I don't believe in that he has seen a ghost. He said that to me with his
तो
friends.
इतना इंस्पायर्ड होके मतलब मूवी भी बना दिया.
Yeah.
Inspired as in बचपन से ही I have been hearing. So you know he is very much fond of ghosts and storytelling and all of that.
Okay.
So I think he always wanted to make a horror film, a horror movie, and this time when he has explored other genres as well, like drama, comedy, and all of that. So he has tried to blend it all together.
But he is someone who doesn't like stick to one thing. He experiments with his potential as well.
तो एज अ डायरेक्टर कितना लाइक हाउ वाज योर टाइम विद हिम, कैसा लगा? मतलब किसने ज्यादा टेक्स लिए एक सीन के लिए?
टेक्स तो सबने लिए क्योंकि
सबसे ज्यादा किसका था?
No, it's not about
अच्छा.
like performance. I would say it's
Okay.
about improvisation, because comedy is all about improvisation, timing.
हाँ.
So if you are doing something and if he sees something and something comes in his mind or like our mind, then, oh, wait, can we do this? Or he will say, okay, do this. Instead, do this.
See, as this is
So-
a film which is about fantasies,
Yeah.
which is about horror, and which has things which are larger than life, so we have to take takes, you know, regarding the technical aspects mostly.
Right.
But performance wise यहाँ पे बहुत time we have done workshop. तो उसके हिसाब से they knew each other so well that they were able to convey things and इसको क्या बोलना है इसको पता है, इसको क्या बोलना है इसको पता है. So you know they had that bonding between them. And वहाँ पे भी जाके we have improvised a lot. So उसमें नहीं कि ये टेक ज्यादा लिया वो टेक हमने लिया है ज्यादा. Technical team we have taken takes because it's a film.
It's about takes only. I would say that before going to shoot, you need to know your character. You need to get into the skin of the character.
Right.
And हम लोगों ने इतना वर्कशॉप किया है, हम लोगों ने इतना टाइम दिया है स्क्रिप्ट को. बेसिकली बाहर का वर्क कल्चर और यहाँ के वर्क कल्चर में डिफरेंस ये है कि हम कम टाइम में ना हमें बहुत कुछ करना पड़ता है.
Right.
एंड हम लोग को ना उतना प्रिपरेशन के लिए वक्त नहीं मिलता है. बट यहाँ पे वी आर ट्राइंग टू ब्रेक दैट, क्योंकि यहाँ का जो वर्क एथिक्स है दे फॉलो ट्रेडिशनल मेथड व्हिच इज आई थिंक व्हिच इज आउटडेटेड नाउ. यू नीड टू like change that. And we are like people don't believe here, like what I have faced, people don't believe in scripts. They just go and they shoot. Okay.
Achha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lot of things like it was a
Amazing.
traditional method. Okay. And if you ask them for a script, they'll say, what he's asking, who is he? He's
Oh,
asking for
really?
a script.
Can you name a few?
This is a bold statement though. But
you specifically want इसको शॉर्ट्स में काट के डाला जाए नहीं?
oh they no what he's trying to say I'll put it in a better way. I would
मतलब
say.
वो
I mean,
पेपर वर्क में प्रॉपर एक स्क्रिप्ट नहीं
see
अवेलेबल था
when
कभी.
an actor, what is he asking, he or she, what is he asking? He's just asking for a script. You
That's
do
a
not,
basic thing,
yeah,
right?
that's a basic thing. He's not adamant about any other
Yeah.
things. So it's a very basic thing to not everyone, to those who think that giving a script to an actor before he agrees to do that, or maybe he agrees to do that, doesn't give you that authority to judge them. You know, you shouldn't judge them by that, because it is
No,
a,
they judge.
that's what I'm saying. You shouldn't judge them. That's
Yes.
what I'm appealing, that you shouldn't judge them, because that's their basic right to get a script before they agree to anything.
Yeah, that's
how
a pretty
they'll
common
judge,
thing
I
I
would
think.
say that
Yeah.
if I do a film, okay, I do it in a certain way, and if I do another film, if I don't get the script, I don't know what to do, right? I don't know actually. So
तो आपको
if
क्या एक
वो same
जिस्ट
acting
में
रहेगा,
कहानी बता दिया जाता है
वो
विदाउट द
बोल देंगे
स्क्रिप्ट?
ऐसा ऐसा है, तुम्हारा कैरेक्टर ऐसा है, दिस इज योर कैरेक्टर एंड दिस इज यू गोइंग टू डू दिस, प्रिपेयर.
अच्छा,
Give me
डायलॉग्स
And
भी खुद प्रिपेयर
maybe,
करना है.
maybe they'll call you tomorrow. Tomorrow's a shoot. You come.
Yeah.
कैसे?
How exactly? कैसे? So यहाँ का जो वर्क कल्चर है, यहाँ का वर्क कल्चर बहुत अलग है. So we need to change that. We are like हम लोग कर रहे हैं ऐसा नहीं.
मतलब
even
यू
if-
विल नॉट गेट टू नो द पूरा स्टोरी क्या है फिल्म का. जस्ट आपका पार्ट ये है कि आपको बस रोना है सीन में और आप कल प्रिपेयर करके आना, वैसा वाला,
उसमें क्या है
राइट?
ना, एक्टिंग भी तो सेम ही लगता है ना, एक्टिंग भी सेम ही लगेगा. पर्सनालिटी एक ही है ना मेरा. I need to change that.
I need to go through another story.
तो मतलब पूरा स्टोरी नहीं दिया जाएगा मूवी का. इट विल बी जस्ट योर पार्ट कि
Then
आपको ये
उसमें क्या
करना है.
बोलेंगे पता है? अरे यार, he is the same in all the films. Of course, I'll be the same in all films.
And you know what, Kapila, one more thing I would like to add. Here na, prior to the shoot, when we were doing the workshop, so okay, we are not from any, okay, I'm saying like everyone is not from any film school or any of that.
Right.
But still, we were just trying to know each other. We were just we just used to come and sit and let's just know each other. Let's just talk. So
Right.
by that, what happens? You know, one though you get to know the script, you get to know your dialogues, you get to know your character. And apart from that, you get to know your co-artists as well, how good they are, how bad they are, or how cooperative they are, you know. So you will act according to them also, which is very important. It's not like that I'll just do my part and things are done. No, you also have to, you know, manage your co-artist and make the scene happening.
तो
so
डायलॉग्स
that's
फिर
what
कहाँ से
happened.
आते हैं? आपके दिल से?
कहाँ से?
डायलॉग्स जो होता है वो कहाँ से दिल से
नहीं,
आते
वो
हैं?
वहाँ पे क्या होता है ना, वो डिपेंड करता है like how like who's the director. Some directors like they just say you that this is the scene, this is the scene, this is the scene, you do it. And
मतलब डायलॉग्स भी नहीं लिखे जाते?
डिपेंड करता है डायरेक्टर कौन
Okay.
है. एंड कुछ कुछ में तो ऐसा भी है कि लाइक डायलॉग्स मिल भी जाता है, लाइक ऑन स्पॉट तुम्हें मिलेगा. You just see, prepare, okay, done.
रट के बोलते हैं आप?
No,
See,
that-
without
कभी नहीं होता।
ऐसे भी directors होते हैं जो कि बोलते हैं कि okay, this is the scene and you do it according to you. But for that is a very good way as well. But for that, you need to know your actor that much. You know, one actor and an actor and a director, they need to spend that much of time to know the content, so that they will get into it and they know what to deliver in front of the camera. So that is also very important, you know. So that's a different way what he's saying. But you can't just ask an actor to, you know, like, okay, this is that. I have also faced this as an actor. I'm saying I have faced this, and that was a trauma for me. That was a trauma for me, and I couldn't understand that what's happening, bro. No, even if I okay.
ये वो वाला बात बोल रहे हैं क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी वाले में ये इनका अंदर का वो
No, thing
पेन
is that,
जगह
see,
भी
Kapila, thing is that okay, it's not like that कि whatever written in the script I have to deliver that, or I just have to ratta it and say it in front of
Right.
the camera. No, it's not like that. Whatever it is, I will do it in my way, but I need to know what is the vision of a director. Okay, and for that I need to spend time with you if you are not there present with your script. Okay, I need to spend time with you personally to know your vision. I can't just sit with you for a day or two and imagine, okay, my director is imagining this and I can just deliver it like in a very quick way in front of the camera. No, ऐसे नहीं होता है.
सबके वर्क एथिक्स और वर्क करने का ढंग अलग होता है एंड उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
Right.
नो लाइक वैसे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
बट वही है कि
लेकिन
लाइक
you
इफ यू
need to
नीड टू
understand each other.
मूव टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल स्केल इट अप तो
Yes.
ऑब्वियसली सम
Yes.
points where I mean the other industries are moving so fast and creating a name for
Exactly,
themselves.
exactly.
Yeah, I think these are the basics one should
Yes,
follow, right?
yes.
Basics you need to follow the
और क्या
basics.
पिन पॉइंट्स आपको लगते हैं कि यू नो हॉलीवुड हैज टू इम्प्रूव टू रीच अप टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल? और क्या पिन
हर
पॉइंट्स?
सेक्टर में actually, हर सेक्टर में
डायरेक्शन से लेके एक्टर से
हर
लेके
sector.
Her
प्रोड्यूसर
sector
एंड
में.
एवरीवन.
And and a very important thing what I have faced is in these days that we always try to put our film as if it's the best Odia film. You were saying, you both were saying in different podcasts, I remember last time. No, it's not like that. A film will come up, will stand when the film will, you know, get the limelight of a good film. ठीक है, this is a good film. Okay, stand out कब करता है? जब उसको मतलब कुछ डिफरेंट लगता है सबसे, यू नो. इट्स नॉट दैट हाँ ये ओडिया फिल्म में अच्छा है. सो ये जब बात बोल देते हैं ना तो फिर यू नो यू डोंट गेट अ place in national level.
Yeah, I think content and promotion has to go hand in hand.
Yeah, content and promotion has to go hand in hand, and also the thought process of makers that our film which we are making, it's just not for the state. It should reflect the culture of our state, but in front of the country or maybe worldwide, whatever it is. Even if we see, if we'll talk about any regional language, I mean any regional films, they don't make stuffs which are you know for their state. They make it for national level. Whatever they make things which are, you know, nationally approved by audiences. They are consumed by national audiences. So that is very important.
As an actor, did you go through some acting classes? Yeah, how did you groom yourself?
Like
Starting में.
before this film.
हाँ मतलब योर एक्टिंग करियर जब भी स्टार्ट किया आपने तो
Okay, so I was previously involved in theatre. मैंने बहुत सारे plays किए हैं. After that, I did few workshops. I did a workshop with Neeraj Kabi. I did a workshop with Adi Shakti Theatre. It is they're a research and theatre they do in Pondicherry. It is run by Vinay sir and Nimi ma'am. So I did that. I did few plays. I was mostly into theatre only. I was thinking I shouldn't be saying this, but I thought that camera acting was much easier until I stepped into it. Because theatre, what happens is you go in one pace.
Right.
So the story is very linear. But in camera, what
And
happens
there is no retake.
Yeah. In camera, what happens is you don't know. They might shoot the climax first.
Mood.
Right.
So you need to take the entire mood of that character and the journey, and to present that, it's really tough. So each medium has its own beauty, I will say. So yeah, mostly I learned from working only. in both the mediums.
Great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, where do you see yourself in future now? I mean, apart from this movie, your upcoming projects. What are the upcoming projects that you are planning to
This
have?
movie will decide that, I guess.
Okay,
The success
that
of
was
this film-
honest.
Yeah.
And what about you?
this film.
Yeah, I have, as he said, that for my, I did a TV show in Odia language, then few music videos, then I like my debut film is Karma with this production house, and I also learned through working, like while working, and of course I won't say ki I have achieved like I'm exploring, and it's good, it's amazing. I'm living what I've dreamt for, and as he said, this movie will decide. Actually, this movie will decide the
Whether I'll make
not,
films
I'm
or
not,
not.
I'm
both.
not being adamant here. I'm just saying this movie will decide the future of Odia industry, because all the youngsters are in this movie, and as youngsters we need to upgrade. As a film industry we need to upgrade ourselves, and young people have young talent like Sarthak, Manmay, Suryamay, and Deepangan. So all the youngsters we have a lot of energy, right? And we know okay, what is working. We are updated about the world. Everybody is updated, but we need, film industry needs a toss, and like we are there. We are improving.
Right.
Yeah.
So, any plans कि बाद में बॉलीवुड भी जाना है या
ये तो है ही बॉलीवुड में.
मैं तो
हाँ
हर जगह हूँ.
okay
He's omnipresent.
I'm everywhere.
He also has plans to
I have plans.
work
Let's
in
see.
different
I don't know. I
languages.
think there's no language barrier, right?
right
Yeah.
And you just need to go. You just need to explore. I'm trying that. I'm exploring. I'm not like I won't say ki, okay, I won't do that. I won't do this. I am open. Whatever comes, if I'm okay with it, I'll do it. So that's
See, I've seen him saying things which are really hard to believe also, you know. He says like in Bombay, you have to struggle a lot, I mean, to
true.
get a minor thing as well. And
Right.
he's doing really good. I mean, abhi ke hisab se, you know, he is just like 24 to 25 and he's gone through so much, and he is like, कभी भी मैं फ़ोन करती हूँ कहाँ है, अच्छा आई एम गिविंग ऑडिशन, एंड इट्स वेरी टफ टू गेट इनटू एन इंडस्ट्री लाइक Bollywood. And about him, I would say I've seen his journey as well. He is getting calls from here, as he is a known face over here, and people know him that he has been doing so many things. घर घर में जानते हैं, तो he has been getting calls, and he is not doing things as well here, and he is also very skeptical about doing things here because, you know, they are choosy right now only with the script and with the makers, because that's very important right now. And fortunately we have got good makers right now. There are so many
Yeah.
makers coming up and they are making good films. Just that we need, you know, like I said, that 5 log 6 log se kuch nahi hoga. We have to create an industry which we actually right now, it's hard to say this as an industry,
right
because we do not function like that. So we need to have a very strong industry as an Odia industry. We can proudly say, and we have good people, we have good content, we just have to showcase it in a proper manner, because we are being selected at the IFFI, and and that's not a small thing, right? But
Right.
we are not able to acknowledge it in a proper way, because, you know, hardly any films are getting selected over there. We know about national award, but we do not know about Indian panorama. So we need to educate people about that. And how are we going to educate them? We can only make good films and make it for the country, represent it worldwide, and that's how we are going to make them aware of good films which are being made in Odia.
Right.
So that should be our forte, because you know we can make things good within our limited funds or resources, whatever we have. Because we can't go to Tamil industry and adapt their culture. We know our culture, our limitations, and we need to act accordingly. So yeah, that's.
And I would like to add that people are comparing, always people compare with like Tollywood, Bollywood. There's always a comparison. I will say that there is no comparison actually, because they come with their culture. They make films according to their feasibility, according to their knowledge, according to their experiences. We are making films according to our experiences. And what is the distinction in between us, that we have our experience, which they don't have, and we have our authenticity.
Do you feel कि यहाँ पे कंटेंट की कमी नहीं है बट मार्केटिंग की कमी है?
Yeah, but this film is, we are like going all in with marketing, I guess.
Yeah. This of course. If I
So-
talk about the Hollywood industry,
Yeah, people were not aware of the importance of marketing and reaching out to people.
right?
Previously, what was happening is, as he said, people are not giving chance to the younger generation of actors. That is because producers are a bit skeptical, because only if there is a star, they will be able to pull the audience. But now in recent years, it has been proven wrong.
Right.
A great star can, is in the movie, but because of the content is lacking, there is no footfall.
Yeah.
So it's very important that we make good content, and as Sanoj bhai said, that there is no comparison, because craft and creativity is something which you cannot choose which one is the best. You can be only unique, and we can only be unique when we are doing our job honestly, representing our culture honestly, and this film is one of those.
And as you said that, do you think that content and promotions, but I would say that it's other way around. Here, promotions are being made huge, and content has to be good, more good. We are trying, and
But you know, it goes without saying, even if you package the thing nicely, it will fizzle out gradually. Maybe it will run successfully for 1 month, maximum 2 months. But when it will spread a negative rumor about the movie that it's not good,
Yeah.
so you promote it anytime, like anywhere, it is not going to be
Okay,
successful.
Kapila,
So I think content should be the
content
key,
is
right?
the king. That's what we meant.
Okay, we will always try to make a good content. We should try. Okay, keeping that thing apart, if we'll come to the promotions part, see, whether you have made a good film or a bad film or an average film, whatever
Right.
it is, but you should market your film if you are sure about it.
Right.
How it's going to appear in front of the audiences, that we do not know, but we have to be very much clear about our promotions,
Right.
that we have made a good film. And you have to promote your stuffs, or else this
Right.
is the showbiz thing. You have to showcase yourself like that, so that people will get attracted towards you. And we shouldn't think like that, अरे ये तो हो नहीं रहा, ये बोल क्यों रहे हैं, ऐसा we do that here. Here I have seen people like, अरे क्या तुम्हारा फिल्म इतना अच्छा हुआ है कि तुम ऐसे प्रमोट कर, अरे भाई ये प्रमोशन है, प्रमोशन ऐसे ही होता है. फिल्म अच्छा हो ना हो, यू नीड टू प्रमोट. बाकी तुम जितना भी अच्छा बोल दो, अगर लोगों को अच्छा नहीं लगता है ना, वो लोग नहीं आने वाले हॉल्स
Right,
को.
exactly.
ठीक है, बट यू हैव टू सेल इट फर्स्ट. ओके, ये मुझे सेल करना है, ये घटिया ही क्यों ना दिखे, बट आई विल ब्रांड इट प्रॉपरली. आई विल ब्रांड इट एंड आई विल सेल इट.
Right.
It's up to you. You are going to get fascinated by this or not, that how I'm selling it, right? So it is like that. Promotions are very important. If the budget of a film is 50%, then the other 50% should be of promotions. It's always like that. And we have, it's not like that we knew that, but gradually we are knowing it, and that's how we are trying to figure out that what extra things we can add on to our promotional activities. So we are just focusing on that right now, because film तो अभी हो गया, अभी
Right.
उसको पहुंचाना है. क्योंकि देखो, only the stars are not working here. अगर content अच्छा ना हो, it's not going to work.
Right.
So we need to have other actors on board. We need to present them like that, so that they can be seen. उनको भी दिखाना है भाई, प्रमोट करो अच्छे एक्टर्स को. इट्स अप टू द मेकर्स हाउ दे आर प्रमोटिंग इट, एंड इफ यू वोंट प्रमोट कुछ नहीं हो सकता. You if okay, I am promoting them for myself also. I have my reasons as well. It's not like that कि मैं कोई यहाँ पे charity करने नहीं आई हूँ. I am promoting them for my film, and it's a very selfish thing you can say, but it is business.
No, it's a win-win situation for everyone.
Yeah.
So it's a team.
So that's how we should work. Yeah.
It's not like selfish thing. She's promoting us because we are in the film, and we are. Eventually, the film is so huge, and we are so involved in the project. We are being promoted. That's for our benefit as well, right? It's not like
that's what I said. Win-win situation दोनों का ही रहता है, right?
And in this production house, you will see every actor is given importance equally. It's not like they don't like differentiate.
कुछ एक बार होता है ना कि established वाले थोड़े हो जाते हैं तो वो सर पे चढ़ जाता है कुछ.
वो सर पे उनके चढ़ते हैं, वो ऑडियंस कैसे लेता है वो अलग है.
वो अलग चीज है.
प्रोडक्शन हाउस से हमेशा सभी को इक्वली प्रेजेंट किया गया है. उसके ऊपर वो एक्टर के ऊपर रहता है कि वो अवेलेबल है वो नहीं है.
एंड स्पेशली एट दिस टाइम अभी जो इंडस्ट्री का जो भी माहौल है ना, we need to be there for each other, which is very important, because if we know that we are good at our craft and we know what to deliver to the public, we need to be there for each other. Like he is there, he has come from Bombay, he's been working with us, he's staying here, leaving all his stuffs behind, and he has given up things, and he's being, because they have some kind of hope from this film, which should be the motto. You know, when you're making a content and you're sure about it कि इसमें मुझे कुछ बनना है, अगर अपना 100% ना दे के हम लोग डिसाइड कर देंगे कि अब बन तो गया अभी तो हमको, वैसे नहीं होता है. So we are just looking forward to this film because it's very important for all of us.
Rather than competitive, we have to go
collaborative
right now at this point of time.
Yeah. Adding to that, I just want to say that as I said previously, that stars are actually the audience pullers, right? Here, me, Sanoj bhai, Manmay bhai, we are 3 new actors, but we are still lucky because we have a star director, right? So everyone who has that power of pulling the crowd should actually also, authorize more power to people who are more talented. In that way, the power dynamics will get bit democratic, and that's how the industry should function as of now. It should be in a very collaborative way, and consistently it should give only good work. It's important to appreciate good work, and it's very important for us to also call out on things which is not very honest attempt, right? That's the way we should look forward. It's always a give and take in this industry as of now. So I will say that for at least 5 years, let us all be collaborative and just make good films with a good intent.
मैं भी साथ में रहूँगी. थोड़ा सा सीरियस हो गया था माहौल हमारा. So मूवी के अंदर कौन सा कॉमेडी वाला कुछ याद आ रहा है, कुछ किया हुआ है लेकिन शेयर?
बहुत
इतना कि
थोड़ा सा एक कुछ.
अबे ये कौन आमे सीटी दी दिन बेरा हो जाउजे एते सब सामान कहीं आंचु
तो 2 दिन हो कि 2 मास एते कि जिंस मोर कंपल्सरी. A bag of underwear, t-shirts, hanky, trousers, face towel, hand towel, bottle, backpack, extra phone, laptop, B-type charger, C-type charger, lightning charger, Bluetooth speaker, power bank. There shaving cream, aftershave, toner, moisturizer, sunscreen, day cream, night cream, face scrub, toothbrush, hair oil, shampoo, conditioner, deodorant, perfume, trimmer, and automatic. इधर जोता चलो मैंने casual shoes, formal shoes, running shoes, extra shoes, socks, shoe brush, shoulder bag, snacks, cold drinks, tissues, hand wash, face wash, body wash, intimate wash, और medicines और nail cutter.
Too good.
This was too good. Oh God.
I was just
यही होने वाला है फिल्म में. ये तो बस ये टीजर भी नहीं था.
Now guys, you
आपने तो जबरदस्ती करके कराया ना.
Sorry अनुपम.
Sorry sir.
मंत्रमुग्धा का एक सीक्वल और तैयार करके रखा होगा नहीं?
Kind of that.
आजकल ये स्ट्रैटेजी बहुत काम कर रही है.
कुछ भी कह सकते हैं.
तो ये नाम मंत्रमुग्धा क्यों, मतलब क्या था मंत्रमुग्धा? पहले जब मैंने सुना तो आई नेवर थॉट इन माई ड्रीम्स कि ये कुछ हॉरर कॉमेडी होगा. मुझे लग रहा था कोई राजा महाराजा का मंत्रमुग्धा कुछ, इट साउंड्स लाइक.
Yeah, so it's like that only. It's like that only. It's something like that only. See, when you laugh out loud.
I'm digging out कुछ निकालने के
Yeah,
लिए. चलो,
when
ठीक है.
like the way you laughed in front of us right now, how was it? You just got spellbound by him and then you laugh like this, right? So it's like that
Audience
only. The
won't be
film is
spellbound
about that
because-
only. You know, they'll just connect. I think they'll just connect to each and every scenes of the film, and they'll get mesmerized by it.
Yes.
So that's how we thought of making.
नहीं मुझे तो थोड़ा डायरेक्टर बनने का थोड़ा भूत आ गया था तो मैंने कहा कुछ करवाती हूँ आज मिले एक्ट्रेस तो चलो
Oh
पकड़ो.
yes, you did it right.
ग्रेट. तो वो अनुपम जी के स्टूडियो में बैठ के उनकी थोड़ा सा
Energy आ गया.
यस राइट.
But hopefully you produce as well.
Oh,
नहीं उसके लिए आई हैव माय फ्रेंड वर्षा विद मी.
No,
I pass it to you.
okay. A lot of people doesn't know it that she is a very good if she tries, she can be a very good director. She has a very good sense of
Obviously, it runs in the
catching-
family, na?
Yeah. So
अभी तो बेटी के पास भी
let's do
pass on
one
हो
thing.
जाएगा.
बेटी के पास तो बहुत
Let's
pass on
do
हो
one
जाएगा.
thing. You produce, she'll direct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
नहीं इट कैन बी अदर वे राउंड. आई
Right
कैन बी
now,
अ गुड
Kapila,
डायरेक्टर.
okay. So right, I mean, I think few minutes back we just spoke of working as a collaborative.
And you
So,
said that's
with collaborative
it's
effort.
on record.
डायरेक्शन एंड कंटेंट में मेरा सपोर्ट पूरा रहेगा.
Jokes
कोई नहीं
apart.
लगाना चाहिए.
See,
तो सोचिए इन लोगों ने कैसे पैसे लगाए.
एग्जैक्टली. मिलके करेंगे. We'll talk about
yeah,
it.
we'll talk about it.
But jokes apart,
Yeah.
we had fun, like during the shoot of this film and during with you as well, and it's amazing. The experience.
मेरे साथ ज्यादा मजा आया ना ऐसे ही बोल दो.
हाँ बहुत मजा आया.
Right.
आपने मजे लिए हमारे.
देखो मेरा तो
उसकी
काम ही
ज्यादा
यही है टू डिग आउट द इंफॉर्मेशन एंड टू मेक यू डू समथिंग कि थोड़ा सा अलग हटके रहे कंटेंट. राइट.
समझ आ रहा है.
आ रहा है ना. तो कोलैबोरेशन की पॉसिबिलिटी अच्छी लगेगी
Yeah,
बाद
yeah,
में.
Right.
पैसे मिलते ही हम लोग कोलैबोरेटिव हो जाते हैं वैसे.
राइट.
ओहो हाँ चलो.
Great. So all the very best to you for this upcoming movie and I am also looking forward कि एक मतलब एक डायलॉग में इतना हंसा दिया तो आई थिंक मुझे 3 घंटे तो मतलब अपने वो सनग्लासेस पहन के जाऊंगी कि मेरे आंसू टप टप गिरेंगे खुशी के हंसी हंसी के.
आपको अलग अलग तरीके के आंसू आएंगे इसमें.
आंसू एक ही होगा. मूड अलग होगा भाई.
वही
तो क्या
तो
बोल रहे हो? अलग अलग तरीके का आंसू.
हाँ मतलब खुशी के जैसे आंसू.
हाँ अलग अलग तरीके के ऐसे. ओके ओके.
मतलब अलग अलग एक्टर्स के अलग अलग डायलॉग्स पे यू मीन टू से. ये बोलो ना कि खाली मेरे पे थोड़ा ना हंसना बाकी भी है.
हंसना मेरे पे ठीक है.
हंसना
बाकी भी तो है.
हाँ और अरे बहुत सारे हैं. और हमारी ये फिल्म में एक बाबा हैं जो कि
बाबा पीछे ही है.
बहुत मजेदार हैं. दीपन
अच्छा.
विथ इज वन ऑफ
Okay.
द बेस्ट एक्टर्स
हाँ,
अभी के जनरेशन का.
Okay.
ही वाज इन प्रतीक्षा, ही वाज इन गैंग्स ऑफ पूरी. ही इज अ वेरी गुड एक्टर एंड ही विल मेक यू लाफ. ही विल जस्ट मेक यू
अच्छा
लाफ.
अपने एक्ट्रेसेस को भी आई डोंट नो ये सस्पेंस एलिमेंट है या क्या है वो भी भूत हैं कुछ.
भूत हम सब है.
सब है.
सब भूत हैं. मैं भी हूँ.
We are all souls. Very good souls.
देखो
So our
break नहीं
actresses
करेंगे
also
suspense.
Suryamai Bhumika, they have done a great job. They have given their time, they have given their effort. They are looking flawlessly beautiful and they're very good.
मतलब वो ऐसे ही ड्रेसअप रहती हैं या उनका भी कुछ भूत वाला मेकअप है कभी किसी सीन में.
If we are looking very good in the film, it's all because of her. Because starting from the hairstyling to the jewelry, the accessories, the dress, even the luggages, जो भी यहाँ पे देख रहे हो आप, it's all her choice.
कल
And
तो से जो बैग रे पैकिंग की करिए करते
ना.
ट्रिम 1 ट्रिम 2
no, तो bag choice से करते बाकी भितरे art direction.
अच्छा ये सारा पैकिंग का सामान खुद लेकर चलते हैं साथ में.
Yes.
ग्रेट.
He's that guy
ये
who has
नॉर्मल
everything.
लाइफ में भी ऐसे होता है या कैमरा
हाँ, he's like that only. almost.
सीरियसली.
अरे I actually carry that big a bag all the time.
हाँ तो ऐसे
2 दिन के लिए
And,
भी.
okay. Let me tell you one thing. So Sarthak, whenever he comes from Bombay, most of the time we used to meet in airport, in Bombay airport. At the तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं ना वहाँ पे, मैं देखती हूँ, मुझे उसको देख के ही पता चल जाता है ये तो आज एक्स्ट्रा लगेज के लिए पे करने वाला है और हमेशा पे करता है, हमेशा. इस बार भी जब आया, I was sitting here, he came inside the office, then I asked him कितना पे किया? 2000. So he has his backpack always and he has his big bag always where he, I don't know what he has.
So it's
But he has
actually
something.
inspired from the character जो मैं यहाँ पे play कर रहा हूँ.
उसके बाद 2000 दे रहे हैं.
उसके बाद भी
नहीं, ये मूवी के बाद ऐसा हो गया या उससे पहले भी ऐसा
वही
था?
मैं पूछ रही हूँ 2000
उसके
उसके बाद दे
वो
रहा है.
कैरेक्टर में घुसा.
अच्छा.
थोड़ा कैरेक्टर भी मेरे वजह से घुसा.
हाँ, okay.
Okay.
So it's a give and take.
So yeah, also one thing, yeah, ये एक चीज मेरे दिमाग में है कि ये लोगों का कैरेक्टर भी जैसा है ना, तो फिल्म में मोस्टली द characters are
Natural
similar to
लगा
their
है.
original characters.
You mean to
So,
say वो natural
that
भूत है?
thing, हाँ. Maybe. Maybe not.
This booth is not supernatural. It's natural.
Oh, good one. अच्छा था ना. It's good.
नहीं, ये काम का भूत है जो ये निकल के आ रहा है अभी. पैशन का भूत है,
Yeah.
right? Great. So it was lovely meeting you guys.
Thank
बहुत
you,
मजा आया
Kapila.
बात
We had
करके.
fun too.
So all the best to you and we'll collaborate.
Unlike a regular podcast, we had fun over here with her because she is very very jolly, very fun-filled person. So we had a great time with her, and it was a very casual podcast. And our film Mantramugdha is being released
On May 1st.
Please do come to the theaters. Celebrate Mantra Mukta.
Enjoy it.
Enjoy it.
Thank you. Lovely meeting you guys once again. Kudos to all of you.
Thank you. Thank you.